Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
When bees swarm in your garden, it's usually a sign they're searching for a new home. Stay calm and avoid disturbing them, as swarming bees are generally non-aggressive. It's best to contact a local beekeeper or pest control professional to safely relocate the swarm. Bees are crucial for pollination and the environment, so preserving them through professional assistance is ideal. Meanwhile, keep children and pets away from the area to prevent potential stings.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.